You can see they are trying to. This is Auto World Diagnosis and Repair Center. Rupkokwu. They are trying to install. This is the crane that lifting the engine up, and they are trying to install this engine, this MZ engine, into this 2002 Sienna. You can see. Please like this video and share.